Good morning everyone. Welcome to class 5 maths, unit 9 shapes, patterns and nets. In this chapter I have included 3 interesting videos. First of all, we are going to start symmetry. Activity 1. Materials required are a sheet of paper, watercolors, any 3. Instructions. Fold the paper in the middle, press it well, then open. You can see a crease in the middle. Spray some watercolors, one after another, starting from the middle line, only on one side of the paper. Hold the paper back, then press it firmly and open it slowly to see the magic of symmetry. The line in the middle is called the line of symmetry of the figure. Hope you all enjoyed it. What is symmetry? Symmetry refers to some pictures or figures that are having identical shape, size, color and design on both sides of the line of symmetry. You have to explore some symmetrical buildings from the world, okay? Secondly, find some symmetrical things in your home. And at last, make some symmetrical designs in your notebook. See the video, then you will understand it. Good morning. Now I am going to make a symmetrical shape. Here is a small craft paper. I am folding it exactly in the middle. Okay, so line in the middle will be line of symmetry. Now I am going to cut a shape out of it. Okay, after folding, just you can make any shape whatever you want. Okay, I am just making a dress. Just see. Okay, how it is coming out. Okay, yeah, this is the shoulder and this is the neck. Yeah, now look at here. Yeah, I made a beautiful dress. See, the line in the middle is line of symmetry. Its right side and left side both are of equal size, shape and design. So this is a symmetrical figure. It has only one line of symmetry. You can also try with different shapes like this. Okay. Now I am going to show you one square. Okay. This is a square paper. If you are folding like this, you will get a line of symmetry in the middle. Now open it, fold it in another way. So another line of symmetry because it is matching exactly on both sides. Now you can open it and fold corner to corner. So this also matching exactly on both sides. So another line of symmetry. Open it once again and fold corner to corner in the other direction, so that you will get one more line of symmetry. So like that, when you open, you can see how many lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry. Now let us take a rectangle. Look at this rectangle. Okay, now I'm folding this way, exactly matching both sides. So one line of symmetry. Now I'm folding this way. I got vertically one more line of symmetry. When I'm folding corner to corner, see, it is not matching exactly. It is not exactly a symmetrical shape. So corner diagonal way is not a line of symmetry. So a rectangle can have only 1, 2 lines of symmetry. Hope it is clear for everybody. Thank you. Now answer the following questions. How many lines of symmetry you can find in an equilateral triangle? You cut an equilateral triangle. You know, an equilateral triangle have 3 equal sides. A square, you know, all 4 sides of a square are equal. Then a rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Find the number of lines of symmetry in each of these figures. Now we have to see the textbook exercises. Do the following exercise. Page 131, exercise 9A, draw line of symmetry. Now we are going to do activity 2. This is for you. Cut any 5 symmetrical shapes on a craft paper and draw its line of symmetry. You see the video, then you will understand how to make. Number 2. Write all the symmetrical alphabets in capital letters and draw its line of symmetry. How many letters have more than one line of symmetry? Find it out. Number 3. Write all the 1-digit numbers and draw its line of symmetry wherever possible. How many digits have more than one line of symmetry? Explore it. Now, another topic is turning shapes. First of all, a video is given, you watch it, understand the concept, then it is very easy for you. Let us watch the video, shall we? Then you have to do the exercises from the textbook after watching this video. Page 133, exercise 9B. Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about turning shapes. For that I took a clock face. In a clock face you can see the minute hand is always moving in the clockwise direction. Okay, so we are going to learn about half turn. So half turn means how to turn a shape into half turns. Means in a clock face there are 2 halves. When the minute hand is moving at 6, we can say half past. Same way, suppose I am keeping a letter T over here. T is pointing at 12. So how to change this position into half turn? We have to move the head of the T in the clockwise direction, and when it reaches at 6, we stop. So this position is called half turn position with respect to the previous position. So this is just like upside down. Okay. Now another example, suppose 2 is like this in the initial position. Now head is pointing at 3. I am moving 2 in the clockwise direction, and when it reaches at 9, this position, we can say that it is the half turn position of letter 2. It is just like upside down with respect to the initial position. Now if I take, see, a pencil like this, see, it is pointing at 9 in the initial. Okay, now I am turning this pencil at this way, I am keeping this way. Now this is the half turn position of the pencil. Now we are going to introduce what is quarter turn. You know, in a clock face, you can see when the minute hand moves at 3, we call it as quarter past. So like that, 4 quarters are here. Now, initially, I am again taking letter T. It is pointing at 12. Now, it is going to turn in the clockwise direction and standing like this. So this is the quarter turn position of the letter with respect to the initial position. Now, I am keeping letter 2 like this. Now, find the quarter turn position. You have to move letter 2 in the clockwise direction, and now it is the quarter turn position of 2. Now, another example, if the pencil is like this, what is the quarter turn position? You have to move this way in the clockwise direction. This is the quarter turn position of the pencil. Okay, so there are so many examples in the textbooks, so you can try and hope it is very clear for you. Thank you. Next, coming the most interesting topic, nets. Definition. The open shape of a solid figure is called net. A net of a cuboid has 6 rectangles. A net of a cube has 6 squares. Now the activity is, after watching the upcoming video, please do the exercise from textbook. Page 137, 9D, chapter checkup, page 140. Today I am going to explain nets. For that, let us take a cuboid. This is a cuboid, and a cuboid has length, it has breadth, and it has height. So a cuboid is a three-dimensional figure, isn't it? Now I am going to open this cuboid. Let us see what is inside. You can see there are 6 rectangles inside. 1 and 3 are of same size, 2 and 4 are of same size, and 5 and 6 are of same size. So this figure is called net of a cuboid. Now this is a 2D figure. Before it was a 3D figure. Now I am going to show you what is net of a cube. This is a cube. It has 6 faces. All the 6 faces are of equal sizes of squares. Now I made like this. These are 6 squares. I am keeping this inside and I am covering now. See, I can cover easily all the 6 faces with this. Okay, so this, when I open, I can see 6 squares. So this is called net of a cube. So the open shape of any solid figure is called nets. Okay, so you can make net of a cube, net of a cuboid, even you can make net of a cylinder, net of a cone, etc. Now see, you can make different styles of nets. For that you need a square paper and you have to draw 6 rectangles like this. 1 and 3 are of same size. Make 2 and 4 same size. 5 and 6 same size. See, I am going to fold this. See, whenever I fold like this, I will get a beautiful cuboid. So this is net of a, this is a cuboid now. So when I open, this is called net of a cuboid. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. So you all try once again. Thank you.